Okay, thank you very much for today. I will presentation about my research. The title of my research is Evaluation of Global Positioning System Internet of Things Long Range Space. My name is Puputani Prasetyo Adi. The essential point from this research is about the GPS. GPS is a global positioning system. This is an essential parameter in the Internet of Things and microcontroller. GPS module is a device can be combined with a microcontroller to be developed for various projects. One of them is the LoRa module capability analysis project which provide parameter for receive signal strength, signal power, latitude and longitude on the position of location of object transmitter and receiver. The method is like from this picture, the show in this research combine an Arduino microcontroller with Leafoni board and GPS module or Leafoni board LoRa ES920LR with a GPS module connect to the internet server. From Arduino and GPS connection, it was developed to Arduino Uno with a compatible Dragino LoRa 915 MHz versions. LoRa GPS module connection for pin use is ground VCC 3.3 volt DC, RX2 4 pins and TX2 3 pins digital Dragino LoRa. The method used in this research, which is sending data from drone from a short distance of up to 500 meters. With the data sent the GPS module and test parameters are receive signal strength indicator or RSSI on the minus dBm and the signal noise ratio SNR on minus dB. The problem goals is to obtain an RSSI and SNR analysis based on different conditions in non-line of sight and line of sight, which cause the LoRa performance found on the drone to provide maximum results without much attenuation that causing data loss on the byte. This is a mechanisms and testing step. Number one is how to analyze the TX and RX anode and testing to communicate TX and RX, programming and analyze of anode name, LoRa TX anode placement on the drone, trying RSSI and SNR when the drone move away from RX. Then analyzing and measurement of RSSI and SNR under line of sight and non-line of sight conditions, and the algorithm for LoRa communication and drone to increase data rate on the kilobyte per second performance and data efficiency on the battery. Use the following equation for measurement and analyzing, and we use this analyzing and these equations for the calculations. LoRa performance testing with GPS tracker data can be used line of sight type with altitude parameter using a drone and LoRa receive signal strength or ESS data is obtained. The design that need to be formed is a single LoRa GPS anode that the application server can receive until is in on the smartphone and desktop with an internet connection. Some of the following equations are one way, are calculation drone movement analyzing that send LoRa signal from TX to RX and TX the sensor on the drone that is hovering in the air, while RX is the remote control used for control, for example, ESP is estimate signal power. The GPS setting can be done in two ways. TX GPS pin to the TX microcontroller Arduino, RX GPS to the RX microcontroller Arduino. The second is configure the Arduino IDE using serial software. Then the GPS module search and connect to the satellite with the GPGLL parameter if the GPGLL has not been fixed or has not been found. Fixed mode state novic is usually takes a few minutes for the U-block GPS module to be connected to the satellite. The satellite section has a star searching but has not been detected yet, which take a few minutes. In the GPS output not fixed section, the GPGLL parameter has not been found. There's not only Pn and multiply 64. There are two things: is searching GPS on the GPGLL does not appear. The first are program error and the lack of the GPS library on the Arduino microcontroller, and or it still take time to search for satellite. This is a picture and configuration and output from the GPS output not fixed, GPS detect on the time detect on the GPS, TX, RX GPS, and MCU false position. And this is initial parameter as and its initial indicator is geographical position, latitude, and longitude GPLL. The values of GPLL can be obtained in real time from GPS module Neo 6M. This figure shows the real-time GPLL data show latitude and longitude position. This is a picture of the binary consoles of GPS on the U center, and this is a text console of GPS on the U center. And this is GPLL data, GPLL detail data, and U center longitude and latitude data. And this is U center data and the satellite spread and signal strength. And this is a picture of satellite positions, GPS module data to Google Map from the data latitude and longitude from U center, and GPS module data Google Earth with GPLL data. This is a histogram view of GPS data and satellite signal history. This is a graph from RSSI performance for GPS module use GPS shields Twinopic. From this graph, we can looking the attenuation from minus 30 dBm to the minus 115 dBm on the 500 meters. And this is a result of RSSI performance on drone using LoRa SX 1276 LoRa, and we can looking the attenuation and comparisons with line of sight and non-line of sight conditions. And this is a signal noise ratio on minus decibel performance on drone using LoRa SX 1276. From this data, we can looking the signal noise ratio. This is around minus 10 decibels. And a fluctuative of a signal noise ratio go to the 70, around the 70 meters. And this is RSSI minus decibel meter prediction on 500 meter use drone, and we can looking the line of sight condition show the reception signal strength around the minus 100 decibel meter on the 500 meters, and non-line of sight condition on the 500 meters is minus 110 meters. And this is signal noise ratio predictions on 500 meter use drone. We can looking the SNR on the minus decibel on the 500 meters. Line of sight is around minus 10 decibels, and non-line of sight conditions SNR, this is around minus 13 decibel. The conclusion is the GPS module can be integrated with various Arduino platforms depending on the library used. The GPS module, we can obtain longitude and latitude data, which is essential if we can see the position of our sensor and the node in the sensor value. The GPS module can be integrated with real-time sensor and real-time position. Therefore, it can be applied to various projects in the future. A node with small dimensions such as Leaponi board can then be flown with drones or mini drones to obtain variable GPS or GPGLL position. Interface software such as uCenter for GPS type uBlock is an excellent solution to see the performance of the GPS that is currently running. By using the GPS shield module, UNOPIC RSSI reached minus 115 dBm at the distance 100 meters with GPS data reception ratio of 96% longitude and latitude data. From the prediction result of drone LoRa RSSI on the minus decibel meter at a distance of 100 meters, RSSI of minus 100 decibel meter on the line of sight and minus 110 decibel meter on the non-line of sight. And the signal noise ratio is minus 12 decibel on the non-line of sight and minus 10 decibel on the line of sight. Okay, thank you very much. This is my presentation today. Thank you very much.